Google Wallet versus Samsung Wallet, which is best for you? So basically, as of 2024, both Google Wallet and Samsung Wallet have continued to evolve and offer a range of features. When deciding between the two, it's important to consider your device, ecosystem preferences, and specific needs. Here's a breakdown to help you determine which might be the best for you. For Google Wallet, universal compatibility, okay, works with a wide range of Android services and even iOS devices to some degree. All right, and integration with Google services seamlessly integrates with services like Google Pay, Google Maps, and other Google application. Okay, and the contactless payments supports NFC payments, allowing users to pay at millions of locations globally, allows storage of cards, boarding passes, event tickets, and more, built with a clean and straightforward design that is easy to navigate, and includes features like biometric authentication and tokenization for enhanced security. Now, for the cons, although it's a widely compatible, some advanced features may be exclusive to certain devices or require high-end specification, fewer customization options compared to Samsung Wallet, which might affect user preferences. So now let's go to the Samsung Wallet and see what are the pros and cons. So the pros is for Samsung Wallet, optimized for Samsung devices, providing better performance and integration if you are in a Samsung ecosystem. Supports various types of cards, including loyalty and membership cards, alongside debit or credit card. Utilizes Samsung's biometric security features like Samsung Knox and fingerprint recognition for extra protection. Offers more customization options, allowing users to organize and personalize their wallet according to their preferences. Some features can be accessed offline, which may benefit users with limited connectivity. All right, so to the cons, Samsung Wallet is primarily designed for Samsung devices, which may limit its usability for those who use phones from other manufacturers. And while it integrates well with Samsung services, it may not offer the same level of compatibility with the third-party apps like Google Wallet. In conclusion, choose Google Wallet if you are basically use a variety of Android devices or an iPhone and want to flexible solution. You prefer deep integration with Google Wallet services and products, and you prioritize universal compatibility and contactless payment features. Choose Samsung Wallet if you are a Samsung device user and want a more tailored experience. You appreciate customization within your wallet and find a value in offline access. You want robust security features exclusive to the Samsung ecosystem. So both wallets have their strengths, so the best choice will depend on your device ecosystem, security preferences, in the future you value most. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.